Weather was moving in. They called this storm an atmospheric river. It would bring with it much needed rain and snow to the west, along with heavy winds. For me, that meant hunkering down in a safe place to ride it out. It's raining. Can't even see the mountains today. There's a winter advisory just a few miles north of here. It's supposed to dump about 4 to 5 feet of snow. There's been a ton of rain overnight. It hasn't stopped, it hasn't let up. Luckily, the winds have calmed down a little bit because there was also a wind advisory. Wind gusts up to 55 miles per hour. It seems to have calmed down a bit though, thankfully. It's definitely not a day to be out driving, so I'm just hunkered down here at camp. Just gonna wait the thing out. It's supposed to only last through today. Tomorrow is supposed to be a really nice day. Hopefully we'll see a bunch of snow all over these mountains in the morning. That should be awesome. I would love that. It was really nice hearing the sounds of the rain all night long on the camper. I actually enjoy that, and I'm enjoying it right now. No sooner did I say the winds had calmed down and they kicked back up again quite a bit, so we're rocking and rolling in here. Whew, she's a windy one out there. Thank goodness for a roof over my head and for some comfort food. The temps have dropped. It was 58 when I woke up this morning, and now it's 45. I thought it was feeling a little bit cooler. Obviously, I don't have Wi-Fi out here, so I use my phone as a hotspot. I was grandfathered into an old AT&T plan that I had many years ago, which was a real unlimited data plan. And I've had that ever since. The only caveat is I can never change my plan. They supposedly will throttle me down after a certain amount of usage, but that doesn't seem to ever happen. And as long as I have a good cell signal, I can stream through my computer, I can upload my videos, I can do my work, and it all works pretty well. Stormy days allow time to pause, reflect, and dream of future adventures. It's just a light sprinkle right now, so I thought I'd come out and get this shot of the White Mountains with a beautiful dusting of snow. Well, as it turns out, I didn't have to wait until tomorrow to see the snow-capped mountain peaks. I was not expecting it to clear up. It's absolutely stunning. This has been an awesome day. I have chosen some more comfort food for dinner, and I picked a recipe out that I could do on my stovetop. It's a skillet chili. I've never made it before, but I'm gonna make it tonight. These are pretty much all of my ingredients. I just need to get everything chopped and prepped, and then I have my recipe right there. Calls for draining and rinsing the kidney beans. I've already drained them. So rinse them. I don't put that kind of stuff down the drain. Only water, if at all possible. So drain it into here, and that'll eventually go in the trash. For my dry ingredients, I need 4 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, dried oregano, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, we start out by cooking the ground beef with the peppers, the onions, and garlic. It is smelling really good in here. Tomato juice. There's a couple tomatoes in there, but I'm sure that's okay. Half a cup of water, and all of the spices. We'll get that stirred around real well. Well, the clouds have rolled back in and it is super windy again. Whew. Okay, it is done. It looks amazing. Holy moly, Mother Nature is laughing because I thought the worst of the storm was past, but I think that this wind is the worst it's been during this entire storm. Whew, it's crazy. Anyhow, I am going to try this chili. It looks mighty tasty. Very good. Perfect for a cold, windy, blustery, stormy night. It looks like the storm has passed and it wound up being an absolutely beautiful sunset. What a crazy day, crazy rain, wind, more wind, and then it wound up clearing up to be absolutely beautiful. And what a treat to be able to see all this fresh snow on the mountains. Thank you all for riding the storm out with me. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and crawl up in my bed and do some reading, maybe watch some Netflix and just wind down for the day after all the excitement. I think that I'll be safe to get back on the road tomorrow so that I can head to my next destination. So make sure to stay tuned so you don't miss it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I will see you all on the next adventure. See you soon. Bye-bye.